Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will tell you how the best ways to earn money online without any investment. And number one is how you can become an insurance POSP. One of the top ways to earn money online with zero investment, no time constraints, and work from home is to become a POSP, point of salesperson. A POSP is an insurance agent who work with an insurance company to sell specific insurance products online. As a POSP agent, you will be able to help customers choose the right insurance policy for them as per their personal needs. Are there any requirements? The only requirement to become an insurance agent, you must be over 18 years of age and should have completed 10 classes. Following this, all you have to do is to complete the 15-hour compulsory training offered by the IRDAI. To get a general life insurance license, how much you can earn from it, there is a lot of scope in selling different types of policies, and your income would depend on the number of policies you sell. The more policies you sell, the faster you can earn a high income. So anybody with an attitude of selling can become a POSP agent as long as you have a smartphone and a good internet connection. You can find out more about the steps and requirements in the following videos. And then we have another topic here is how you can earn money online through freelancing. Freelance work is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and you don't need any investment to start work. All you need to do is identify a few key portals and register yourself as a freelancer. Then you need to market your skills to potential clients by sharing some simple work. If you're good at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a number of other skills, then you can make money online by becoming a freelancer. These days many businesses are increasing handing out smaller tasks to freelancers. How much you can earn is based on the kind of work you offer, and you can easily find high paying gigs as a freelancer. Some of the top freelancing sites include That Genuine Work, offer genuine work is Freelance India, 99 gigs, Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr. And we have another topic, how you can sell from your home, how you can sell your homemade items. This is another way you can make easy money from home with no monetary investment. All you need are the raw materials for your product, like cooking ingredients or crafting supplies. These include products like baked goods, healthy snacks, scented candles, wall hanging, table mats, and other decor items. Are there many requirements? If you have skills in the field of art and craft or cooking, it is quite simple to sell your homemade products online. How there are there any depending on the products you sell, your marketing skills, and the selling partner side option for, you can even set your products at high prices. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.